I grew up on a tight road. Learned to smile even when I was falling down. Daddy had a hard hand and Mama always had hope. Me and my sister couldn't wait to get out. I fell in love at college. A good man, but a bad year. Visions of sugar plums and boxes of roses. Mama girlfriends cried when I was out of here. Oh, everybody's dreaming big. Oh, everybody's just getting by. That's how it goes in everyday America, with a little town and a great big life. But Joey stares at a trophy. Took us all the way to stay back in '85. A shiny moment and a dusty reminder. Never felt so scared, he never felt so alive. Now there's toys in the backyard. Daddy's boys, yeah, you know how they like to fight. When they sleep, he swears they're angels.